Lovie po, lilipat na nga ba? Nanatiling tikom ang bibig ni Lovie nang tanungin siya tungkol sa napapabalitang siya ay lilipat na sa ibang network. Noong July 5, nagkaroon ng press conference si Lovie para sa upcoming movie nitong The Other Wife. Ayon kay Lovie, right now, it's hard to say. Everything is under negotiations. I've just finished my show. We're still having the conversation. Ito ang kanyang sagot, noong tanungin siya tungkol sa balitang siya ay lilipat na. Dagdag pa niya, nirerespeto niya ang dalawang networks, kaya mas makakabuting wag muna siyang magsalita tungkol dito. I think it's best to keep it private because I don't want to be. I want to respect both networks, she told Philstar.com and other media outlets in the press con. Sinabi din naman niya, na willing siya gumawa ng movie, under Star Cinema. Ako naman po kasi, I'm always open to working with anybody. To grow as an artist, I don't think you're supposed to box. Or keep yourself like just doing the same or working with the same people over and over again, she said. Of course it's nice to work with them Star Cinema, and explore. Let's be honest, when we work with other people, that's the time we will learn something new. Ito ang mga naging pahayag ni Lovie po. So, ano sa tingin nyo mga ka-chisbiz? E-comment nyo na, ang inyong mga opinion.